So, greetings of the day. This is Ashwant, Principal, Dr. KJG Memorial Matriculation School. On this special day, like we have conducted ICAM for our students. Uh, Post COVID, like we wanted to find if children they do really have defects with their eyes, having much screen time, screen fatigue, and all those things. The impact of the screen and all those things, whether they could have really affected the students or not, was a query. We thought like initially before we begin the session, we thought we will go for an eye camp to check all the visions of our children. Uh, Having approached the I Foundation Ooty, we found like KBTL groups have been like kind of conducting free eye camps for all schools and in different rural areas, especially to the people those who don't have much access to it. Apart from eye camp, we also found like they have been into many other social activities. And we hope to kind of tie up with them in future and do as much activities as possible. For today, the iCamp that we conducted was really useful to the students, and we were able to clearly state all the parents of our students, like telling that, like a few children, they really had some issues with their eyes, which went unnoticed till date. I think, like today, it would be an eye opener for the parents to understand, like their kids, they do really have some issues with their vision, and, what measures they should actually take to in order to like prevent it. As we say, like prevention is better than cure. We have advised parents and students as well to take the necessary actions required, and KBTL and the team I Foundation have promised us like they'll be doing as the best. The beauty is that like this camp was conducted for free of cost for all our kids, and also for the parents and grandparents as well. Further, like another complimentary kind of advice would be given at the hospital itself. So we have also instructed and advised our parents to take kids to the hospitals to get another checkup done, and then finally decide whether they'll have to go with the specs or like they can overcome their defects or issues. So I, from the bottom of my heart, would like to thank KBTL team, like for having provided us this opportunity, where like it was also a learning for all our teachers as well. That till date, a few of our teachers were also complaining students, like for not being attentive, not focusing in the class and all those things. But today, when found, like a few students really they have some issues with their eyes. Once we look into this, like we think, like we'll also be able to help children academically and during the other extracurricular activities as well. So having said that, like I would like to